Yeah, y'all. We're on another journey today. We going to Harbor Freight. Pick up a tire inflator because the one I bought from Harbor Freight, of course it broke. So I'm gonna try to return it. I don't know if they're gonna return it because I don't know where the receipt is at, and I don't even remember how long ago I bought it. But yeah, we're gonna go try to return this tire inflator and get another one. Fill up these tires. And that's the journey for today. We're gonna see if the check engine light come back on. Hopefully it don't. If it don't, then we know the problem's fixed. It was the mass airflow sensor. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I'll get back with y'all when I get to Harbor Freight. Yeah, y'all. I'm at the Harbor Freight. Got the items. Now we're gonna go to the car. Flake the tires. And that's that. Wasn't able to exchange it because it was over the warranty limit, so had to buy the new one. But it's all good. It was only $15. Hopefully it worked better than this cheap one. But yeah, check engine light ain't come on so far, so we headed back to the house. See y'all there. All right, y'all. Had to fight to get this open. They put mad glue on it. It's hard to get it open. Then they got the stupid design where the wires are tucked in to the back where you can't even really get them out. It's just horrible. It's not a good design. Hope it works good. Cause damn sure ain't a good design on how to get it out the box. Get out the box, a bunch of glue on it. You can't even open the box like a normal box. You gotta cut it. This is retarded. And the check engine light came back on, so I'm pissed off about that. Check engine light back on, so that's another whole headache gotta deal with. Only good thing is I just bought a scanner. I went on eBay and I got a scanner, so in about maybe a week or so, hopefully sooner than that, we'll have a scanner and it'll be able to tell us the code for what's wrong with the airbag, what's wrong with the check engine. Hopefully this scanner will be able to tell us all of that. To the thing, that's good. I like that. That actually screws on to the stem, the valve stem. That's cool. And that's a power button. This was only $15, so not bad for $15. The other one I had, it was like $7. I think it was less than $10. Couldn't return it because I bought it last year. It was over 90 days, so just had to pay for this one. I have a spider on my car. Yeah, it's looking good, y'all. It's pretty fast. Probably because the tires ain't completely flat, but it's working good. It's pretty fast. I'm happy with it. Filled up this tire real quick. This tire was down to like 10, 15 PSI. And filled it up in a couple minutes, 2-3 minutes. So happy with it. But yeah, I secured the scanner, so once that scanner comes, I'm gonna scan the car and hopefully get to see a lot more of what's going on with it. Cause check engine light, giving me it's a hassle, man. Check engine light won't leave for nothing, and it was gone. I changed O2 sensors and a lot of stuff, and it was gone. And then all of a sudden, it was gone for a while. Then it just popped back up. I don't know what it is. But I know BMWs are finicky, so I'm hoping it's not the O2 sensors. I got aftermarket O2 sensors. I hope it's not the aftermarket O2 sensors, because if it is, then I have to go to the dealership. I'm not trying to pay dealership money. You know, dealership try to charge you top dollar for everything. So hoping it's not the O2 sensors and that's causing the issue. I don't know. But hopefully I'll be able to see a lot more with the scanner. Maybe be able to point me in the right direction. But yeah. We're gonna see, y'all. Check out this Cougar right here. It's an old Cougar. It's a nice car. Beat up, but it's nice. It's an old Cougar. It's been here for years, if I'm not mistaken. It got flats. And been here for years. I never seen nobody near it or come to it or anything. I don't know whose it is, but it's a nice car. That would be nice for the channel, wouldn't it, y'all? Old Cougar to rebuild. That'd be nice. Would y'all like to see that on the channel? Old school rebuild. I think that'd be great for the channel. But I don't know if I'm that qualified to rebuild that, but hey, you never know unless you try, right? That'd be a hell of a challenge. That'd be a hell of a challenge. But I would be up for it. If I was able to get that car for cheap, say maybe a couple grand, I would rebuild it. I don't know what type of mechanical work it would need. Hopefully not much. But all it needed was, like, you know, some minor things, tune up, major tune up. I definitely would be up for it. I think that would help take my channel to another level. If I was able to rebuild the old Cougar, I'd have to really put in some time on that. But I'd be up for it. Let me know if y'all would like that. A rebuild on an old Cougar. It's a nice car. I think my father had one of those when back in his college days. I think he had a Cougar, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I would definitely do it though. I don't know what year it is, but I'd definitely rebuild it. That'd be nice. Classic car. If I had the money, I would buy it, rebuild it, probably give it to my father. My father was in the 70s. That'd be something nice, like rebuild and give to him. If I had the money and I had the resources, I definitely would do something like that. Rebuild that car, give it to my father as a gift. Knowing him, he'll probably just stay in the garage. Nah, I think he'll drive it. He's getting older now, and I don't think he like to drive as much. But I think he'd drive it. If I was to rebuild it, give it to him, I think he'd drive it. Not every day, but probably, you know, on the weekends or going to Walmart, get his groceries. I think he would drive it. That would be super cool. That's something I like to do. Yeah, but for now, gotta fix this right here and rebuild this. It's a BMW from hell. But yeah, it's getting warm now, so I'm gonna be making a lot more videos. Trying to get this channel to do a lot better than it's doing. And I wanna buy another car too. I wanna buy another car. But I need to finish this one first before I buy something else. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I ain't gonna sit here and bore y'all with the watching the tire inflate. But yeah, so that's where we at with it. Wait for the scanner to come. Once the scanner comes, we'll scan the car, see if we can figure out that check engine light, figure out what's going on with the airbag light and the safety restraint system, and take it from there. Once I figure that out, fix it, register it, and it'd be good then. But yeah, that's it. Signing out, y'all. I'll get back to y'all, I guess, when the scanner comes. See y'all in the next episode.